Namaskar, welcome to Yoga by Devidatta. Today's video is to help you to improve the health of your thyroid gland. It's a very important gland because it controls the metabolism in your body. And if this gland is not functioning properly, you might either lose excess of weight or gain excess of weight. So it's very important to maintain the health of this gland. The basic asanas for this gland or to stimulate this gland is either the expansion of these muscles or the contraction of these muscles. So in this video you will see all these asanas having this expansion or the contraction. Before we go ahead with the asanas, please do watch the video till the end, because in the end I am going to show you a simple tip which you can do throughout the day and it will help you to maintain the health of your thyroid gland. So going to the first asana. In the first asana, your legs are stretched in front. You take the hands back and slowly drop the elbows down in such a way that the upper arm is perpendicular to the ground. Now you expand the chest and slowly start dropping the head down. And breathe. Close your eyes. Keep breathing, don't hold the breath. And feel the stretch at your throat. Remember, when you're doing this asana, don't allow your chest to drop down. In fact, if you see, I'm pushing my back upward, expanding the chest and dropping the head back. You always maintain any asana as per your capacity. Whenever you want to come out, slowly come back to the original position. Now after doing each backward bend of your neck or the expansion of the muscles in your throat, I want you to do the contraction of the throat muscles. And for that, what I want you to do is sit with the back erect. First tuck the chin in and then take the head down. And breathe normally. So when you're doing this, don't just drop the head down. First tuck the chin in, then the head down. And breathe through the nose. Now the second asana. In this you'll be sitting in Vajrasana. Then place the palms behind, fingers pointing towards you. Then push your shoulders back, again expand the chest. And again slowly drop the head back. When you're dropping the head back, see that you're lengthening these muscles and not just giving the head to the gravity. So you're lengthening the chest and the throat. Keep breathing. Maintain as per your capacity. Then you come back. And after you come back, again do the chin tuck and the head down. And when you're doing the forward bend, see that your back remains straight. So you're not doing this. You're just taking it from the neck. First the chin tuck and maintain as per your capacity. For the last asana today, we'll be using the support of the chair, or you can use the support of a bed or a sofa also. So in this, we'll be coming to the knee down position such that the feet is under the chair or very closer to the chair. Then you place the palms at the edge of the chair and start pushing your hips forward, expand the chest and again drop the head back. Keep breathing. Maintain as per your capacity. And then again either sit in cross leg position or in Vajrasana and do the same thing. Chin tuck and then the head down. And relax. Now a simple tip to keep the thyroid gland activated. You just have to keep the face up. Don't drop the head down, but try to keep the face up and just do the swallowing action 4 to 5 times without opening your mouth. And repeat this practice throughout the day for 4 to 5 times. You can do it while you are traveling in a metro or when you are working on your computer or in your kitchen. Just take the face up and 4 to 5 times swallowing action without opening your mouth. Try it out and let me know. Of course, apart from these asanas which I have shown in the video, there are few more asanas and relaxation techniques that you can practice. The link of those I will be giving in the description below. So do check them out. Thank you.